screencast, we're going to talk about how to upload a module to the Canvas Commons. For those of you who may develop your own modules in your courses and identify how they can fit with the ISTE Standards for Educators, you may want to consider sharing those modules to the Canvas Commons, so then that way the EPP, the Educator Preparation Program, can go ahead and use that as evidence for meeting the technology standards for CAEP accreditation. And so this is just an example of how you might want to share those modules up to the community. And so in this screen, I've got a series of modules that I've created related to the ISTE Standards for Educators. And I'm going to go ahead and share this to the Canvas Commons. And so you'll see it under the headings for the module. You see these three dots to the right, and so when I expand that, they'll still stay there, but it'll also be a drop-down menu, and you can share to Commons. This new window brings up an icon, so you know that you're sharing a module, the title of the module, and who's developed the module. On the left side of the screen, you'll see information about the license and how to share it. And so we're going to go ahead and share to all of Ball State, so that way program areas and others will be able to see this module in the Canvas Commons and be able to download it to their courses. Under content type, I'm just leaving this blank, and so for now we're just going to leave those blank. Under license, it's going to be considered copyrighted at this point, since we're using Ball State information here. And then the title, it just brings the title over from the existing title. If you want to edit that, you can do that here in this line. Under description, it's going to, again, you can put up to quite a big description here, but I've gone ahead and written up a little bit here, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste that into this section. And then here you can go ahead and edit slightly as well, so it's easier for others to read. Under tags, these tags are things that might help others search for the module. So I'm going to just type in ISTE Standards and technology as two possible tags. And then under image, it does require an image here, and so I'm just going to pull in an image from my desktop, or it gives you a choice here of images as well. And then under grades, this is grade level, so thinking about who will be using this module. This is a slider, and you can adjust to what grade level or what audience might be using this module in the course. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this as an undergraduate, and then all you do is click on the share button. It'll take a little while for Canvas to upload the materials into the community or into the Commons area. After a while, you'll be able to find it and search for it in this preview section. It does provide, under the details area, the summary that you provided, who the author was and where the account sets, and again who the audience and grade level, things like that. So pretty easy to do. Again, this is used so you can share the modules you've created, and it makes it a really easy process. Have a good day.